for a lot of these guys that are building this foundational model, right? Is there a path to profitability? Because you end up spending so much money in building a foundational model, and shelf life, right? What used to be like maybe 2 years back, and 2 years back the shelf life used to be 9 months. Now it's like 4 weeks, right? Before someone else comes in and beats you. I know there used to be a time where Falcon, the Middle Eastern model, was like everyone was raging about it, and then now it's over like that. That like if someone says I want to do a Falcon version 3 and I want to deploy that, nobody cares. So how do companies ensure that that they're investing so much in and maybe that's why India's not been that heavy on the investment side.
See, honestly, I think hand on heart, we never had that muscle power of resources to build this. If we had, we would have tried.
Correct.
And government of India is now empowering them, right? But in a way, I think what has happened is that has led to the application layer, which is very strong. Right? Startup like yours, and there's so many startups. I think there are around 300 plus Gen AI startups in India, right? And more are coming every week. So that's getting very strong, right? And the services layer, people are building a lot of applications around that. But the profitability which is there, the other side. Has been always a big question, right? Like OpenAI still is not profitable.
Correct. Yeah, exactly.
And these companies have spent billion in them. And OpenAI is not open. So though Llama is taking different routes, it is open, but it's open way, right? To build those recipes is also a big task, right?
And it has Facebook's dollars to spend to build that.
Exactly. Similarly, DeepSeek was a movement, right? Like the Chinese ecosystem built DeepSeek using the open source and the closed source understanding. Similarly, I think we'll also reach that spot. But coming to the profitability, I think apart from the chip manufacturers and application builders, all of these companies are still dabbling whether they are profitable or not. Right? I recently met a multi-model startup in Bay Area. Right? They have been funded $180 million. Right? A team size of 50. Okay. And believe me, they're still finding their product market fit. Right? The PMF is still not there. Right?
Wow.
So 180 million is already given to them. Check. And NVIDIA is invested. Lot of big companies. But again, I think. So that's a good question. I think only time will tell whether they are profitable.
What's the road for
What's
them?
the roadmap?